AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic principles. Port versus port interface. On this slide, we explain the difference between a port interface and a port. A port interface is equivalent to a software component type and a class in object-oriented programming. And a port is equivalent to a software component prototype and an object in object-oriented programming. So a port is the instantiation of a port interface. A port is typed by exactly one port interface, and a port interface specifies the type of one or more ports. That means every port needs to be defined by a port interface. And a port interface can describe multiple ports. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.